So let's continue some more problem, such as negative 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 k equal to 9 over 5. Okay, so whenever we get fraction problem, then we try to make integer equation from the fractional equations. However, this case, before we doing that steps, we need to define absolute box. So as we discussed before, in this case, we need to find out the absolute value is 9 or 5 away from the 0, right? So you can rewrite this negative 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 k equal to 9 over 5, or negative 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 k equal to negative 9 over 5. Okay, so that will be your first step. Now, what's the common denominator? Yeah, fortunately they're all 5, so you just multiply 5 everything here. Then this becomes negative 1 minus k equal to 9, or negative 1 minus k equal to negative 9. So from here, let's solve for k. So you combined 1, then negative k equal to 10. So divide by negative 1, then k equal to negative 10, or plus 1, then negative k equal to negative 8, divide by negative 1, then k equal to 8 basically. So those are your answer. Now, next one. So negative 3, 2 minus 6x plus 5 equal to negative 10. So as we did before, we need to isolate absolute box term. And then don't assume yet it will be no solution because this is negative value. We need to simplify and then reanalyze it. Okay, so first of all, minus 5. Then negative 3, 2 minus 6x equal to negative 15. Now divide by negative 3. Then 2 minus 6x equal to positive 5. So we can solve it now. So we can set up 2 minus 6x equal to 5, or 2 minus 6x equal to negative 5. And minus 2, then negative 6x equal to 3. So divide by negative 6, then x equal to negative 1 over 2, or minus 2 both sides, then negative 6x equal to negative 7, divide by negative 6, then x equal to 7 over 6. So this case answer is either negative 1 over 2 or 7 over 6. Okay, so let's look at one more question, which is 4x minus 2 equal to absolute negative 8. So before you do something, you need to analyze what this is. Then this question will be much easier. So as you see, this means 8, right? So you can rewrite this absolute 4x minus 2 equal to 8. So from here, we just set up the absolute value equation. So 4x minus 2 equal to 8, or 4x minus 2 equals negative 8. So combine 2 both sides. Then 4x equals 10 divided by 4. Then x equal to 10 over 4, which means 5 over 2. Now combine 2. Then 4x equal to negative 6 divided by 4. Then x equal to negative 6 over 4, which means negative 3 over 2. Therefore, we got two answers, x equal to 5 over 2 or x equal to negative 3 over 2.